Good morning. Welcome to UBI Workshop, KIP. So ito po yung Kultura Identity Protection, which the mandate of this organization is to recover and protect cultural identity and assets, especially dito sa Pilipinas. Now, this program is for the IPs. Cultural workshops, meron po tayong 1, 2, and 3. This is required for you to acquire the said e-currency ayuda. So, before we will send to you the e-currency, you should attend workshop like this. But this is only a privilege na pwede kayong ma-orient through this online platform. So, Kultura identity protection has this nucleus cooperatives, exclusive workshops, and open workshops, which is open to all. Sino ba talaga ang taong behind this kultura? So we have our website. You can check our website, which is the business center of BML. BML means Bangko Maharlika Ltd. So we have the website. All the information are there. So you can check this website, maharlikaubi.com. Na-mention ko dito, BML, Bangko Maharlika. This is our digital bank where all assets na ipamimigay ay hawak ng bangko ito. And this is owned, incorporated by one of the founders ng kultura. So later I will introduce to you our CEO or our founder. Well, ano ba itong Bangko Maharlika? Bangko Maharlika is a digital bank. So wala po tayong physical bank. Registered in UK. It was incorporated in England, Wales, England. So all of our assets are here sa Bangko Maharlika. And we are registered. This is our certificate of incorporation. And we have the currency, the e-currency, which is called the Maharlika cryptocurrency, the MHLK IRM. So one of our source of our assets is from the Imelda Rodriguez Marcos, Imelda Romualdez Marcos Maharlika Trust. So, iba po yung Maharlika funds. Wala po tayong connect. We have the assets managed by Bangko Maharlika. This is the Maharlika Trust. Okay? So, to know more about our Bangko Maharlika, this is a bank of humanity, central bank to autonomous regions worldwide, universal by world leader in universal basic income via the tokenization of resource-based economics. So RBE. Guys, you know already that alam nyo na po na we will all be our money will be decentralized. So this is one of the means how it is decentralized. through cryptocurrency. Later on, as you can see, as you can see, coin market cap, uh, ang pinakamalaking cryptocurrency which is recognized globally is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin ngayon has the value of one Bitcoin is $6 million. So ang sa atin guys is ang Bangko Maharlika or the Maharlika cryptocurrency is backed up with liquid funds. That's why our cryptocurrency is not for trading. We are not going to buy and sell sa Maharlika cryptocurrency because we are liquid. We do not need trading, or we do not need mining liquid assets. Okay? So, these are the people, board of directors of the Kultura Identity Protection. Hindi ko na po himay-himayin, but one of these is ipakilala ko po sa inyo ang ating um, chairman and CEO of the Kultura Identity Protection. So, ito po si Lacan Paul Muñozca, and there are other directors, board of directors that holds other department, like meron po tayong Security Council, meron po tayong uh, Gender Equality Council, meron po tayong Tokenization Council, and Special Project Council. So guys, this organization is highly prepared with the people behind, with the doctors and philanthropists, and we are back up with um real assets. Okay, so as you go along, learn more about kultura, identity protection. So it's not a, hindi po siya basta-basta lang na papasok ka and makukuha mo ang token na ayuda, no, cryptocurrency ayuda, na wala kang kaalaman about the people behind. So it's very very important na kaya malalaman ninyo kung this is legit or not. So guys, alam natin na marami pong mga naglabasang Maharlika organizations, but these organizations are not backed up with real assets. So guys, ito na po gusto naming i-share sa inyo that only Maharlika, Bangko Maharlika has the real liquid assets that can be distributed through a decentralized cryptocurrency. Kasi po kung dadaan po tayo ng government, I don't think so na aabot po sa mga kababayan nating nasa sulok, lalo na hindi na naabot ng teknolohiya because they don't have smartphones like that. But here, kung sa ating mga IPs, indigenous people, we have the program that they can avail of this through education, no, through giving orientation, and may pinanghahawakan po tayo na certificate na kung saan it is printed with your personalized QR code. Kasi doon makikita, pag scan ng certificate mo, doon makikita ang pera or yung e-currency account mo. So, guys, yan lang muna ang maibibigay kong information, and please watch all the two videos that I'm going to send dito sa GC. We conduct educational summit because ito po guys, AI will dominate the world. So ito na pinapabilis ang AI development. So alam na natin mangyayari kakulangan sa trabaho because AI can do the job of human beings. So like this, nag-uumpisa na po, and they are being implemented na, like this service crew, Jollibee has, sa other countries. And when it comes to the wealth of Imelda Romualdez Marcos, she was featured by Mel Chanco, if you have watched that, no. And we'd like to introduce to you this our CEO and Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Paul Infante Muñozca. He's a philanthropist. He manages the wealth of elite people. Also, he is a banker. So, sa isa sa mga hinahawakan niya or minamanage na niya na wealth is the Imelda Romualdez Marcos Maharlika Trust. So, separate po tayo. Wala po tayong connection dun sa Maharlika Funds. So, it's the Maharlika Trust. So, this is Paul Infante Muñozca, no? The video will tell you kung anong status po ng ating CEO. You can learn, no? Nasa kasalamuha niyo po ang mga different elite worldwide, lalo na po sa United Nations. He is recognized by the United Nations. And uh, Paul Muñozca, um, the Bank of Humanity exceeds, tingnan nyo to, the Bank of Humanity exceeds 1 trillion euro tokenized under his management. So, we encourage that if we had that meron po tayong mga um, workshops, you can attend guys. And meron po kaming process, no? Kailangan nyo pong if you want to receive the token from Maharlika, Bangko Maharlika, we will send you a separate instruction, kasi po hindi po basta-basta mag-send lang ng um, crypto, okay? Crypto coin that will be monetized this coming November 2025. So next year is magagamit na po siya sa iba't ibang establishment, but this last quarter of the year will start na ang monetization. So Maharlika coin, and our founder and CEO is guided and guarded by General William, Commander Air Force. So this is how we will give you this is the process on how we can give you the token. So may process po tayo, and we will send you that kasi dapat step by step you will learn how to receive the token, the Maharlika coin. So thank you for watching. Thank you, and please watch our learn more about our CEO. Watch the video I sent in this GC. Thank you.